Smack it. Boom.
Hey.
Whoa. Hi, I'm Jess.
Hey, I'm Kelly.
And together we're Jess and Kelly Go.
Today we are in Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore is famous, and I guess Maryland in general is famous for crabs. So we're gonna try some crab cakes and check out some other cool stuff. Right here we're in Graffiti Alley, one of the only places in Baltimore where graffiti is completely legal. It's a safe space for artists and it's super cool. We're gonna start here and then we're gonna head into Inner Harbor and try some crab.
If you're new to our channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and hints like these.
So we stopped and I got a coffee. We needed to fuel up, and now we're walking along the marina area. We're gonna head to our first crab place.
Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm always hungry at every video. It's because we walk around a lot. So we parked at the 7 Knolls Lighthouse, and from there to the first crab house restaurant, it takes us about
20 minutes. We've noticed that everyone rides around on these motorized scooters. Like, they're everywhere. It's kind of like a bike share system, but it's like a motorized scooter share system.
Yeah, I actually want to try getting on one of those and riding around because it looks super fun. Okay, so we finally made it to Captain James Seafood Restaurant, and we went inside.
And they told us they don't have any more crabs today. They just sold the last crab.
Yeah, so it must be a really good place if all of these crabs are being sold out. The lady in the restaurant said that they had a very busy weekend, and today we are already the third group to ask for crabs, and they're all out.
Don't have any.
We finally found a place that we can go to for crabs. Kelly called Chop Tank.
Yes, and they said they have jumbo and extra large crabs available. So
God.
we're gonna go eat them.
What does it take for two girls to get crabs in Baltimore?
Well, Jess.
I really thought it would be easier, but apparently it's very hard to get crabs in Baltimore.
Call ahead. I think today is a big day, like in Baltimore, because baseball season just started.
Yeah.
And what I have learned is people in Baltimore love the Orioles, and there's a game today. I think people can go to baseball games again in person, so I think that's why we're seeing a lot of people talking about the game today.
Yeah. Are here at Chop Tank, and we just put in our food order and drink order.
We got here, we called ahead even to ask to make sure that they had crabs. They said yes. So we got here and the host is like, oh yeah, we don't have crabs today. And explained to us that crab season starts more in like May and June. So you're more likely to get crabs then. Right now it seems like a lot of them are sold out, and a lot of them aren't even coming from Maryland, and so they're more expensive. But luckily our waiter said that they had some light crabs left, which are smaller, I guess.
Yeah, they're not as dense, I imagine. So we ordered that. We're going to order the Broadway crab cake platter.
So we weren't planning on day drinking today, but
here we are.
It has an oyster in the bottom.
How can you do all that?
I had to gulp it. That was a big oyster. I just swallowed it completely whole.
I chewed on my oyster. It's really good.
Well, this is the Orange Crush. It tastes like orange soda. If you like sweet cocktails or you like orange soda, yeah, you'll like it. That's a lot of Old Bay. like
Look at that.
It's like a full-on.
It's full crab.
Full crab.
A whole crab.
It's a whole crab.
We have this bucket right here. We have some hammers.
You just hit it?
I imagine so. And then here's a knife for you. Here is a knife for me. And the shells we will just toss into this bucket right here.
I feel like I need a tutorial.
Smack it. Whoa! Inside.
What? We need a tutorial.
It's not. Oh,
It's a disaster.
we're amateurs here. Oh, you gotta gut it.
Sorry, you guys got it.
Ah,
See what I'm saying? Want to clear them out, clear out the guts.
So then, what are the hammers for?
The legs.
When it
And the
hard
mustard's
way.
good. The mustard's good.
Oh, that the mustard's like the.
It gives it flavor. Crab meat.
Yeah, we were doing it all wrong.
We were. Yeah, it's okay. Boom.
Hey,
Kind of
there's
amazing.
Old Bay everywhere.
Just get into it.
It's very fresh.
Okay.
I taste.
Is it good?
I taste the sea.
Yeah. So if you're eating crabs whole like this, it's a messy process. So just expect your hands to get dirty.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. You just gotta get in there.
After we finished at the Chop Tank, we headed back down the harbor to find some of those e-scooters. We realized now that these scooters are in several US cities, but they're not in Pennsylvania where we live, so we were excited to try them. Scan QR code. Valid.
It took us a while, but we found some that are available.
Oh, the QR code's on top.
Okay.
Unlocking. Check the brakes.
We are finished for the day here in Baltimore.
We had an awesome time. We ate crab.
I still smell like Old Bay Spice.
Baltimore was a big surprise for us. This isn't somewhere that we expected to love, but it's awesome. Come check it out, eat the crabs, and make sure you ride a scooter. It's a lot of fun.
It's definitely a charming little city. So make sure to put it on your list of places to visit in 2021.
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to hit subscribe, like, and share. Comment below. Have you been to Baltimore? What do you like about it?
Until next time, bye.
Bye.